Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a beautiful, beautiful prawn curry. Sri Lankan style. Here we are in Sri Lanka. Very much coming to the end of our trip now. This is a bit of a classic. It's got some wonderful, wonderful spices in it. Super easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. So, star of our show is our prawns. They're quite large, as you can see, quite big fellows. And I've cleaned them, and how you clean them is take some scissors, cut the back down there. I don't know if you can see that, there's a line there of the shell, and then wash out the black strip inside. Anyway, they're the ones that I'm using. You can use any size shell or not shell if you wanted. I've got there like half a kg, like 500 grams. I've got 2 regular size onions there, like 1 pint of coconut milk. Let's take a look at these powders and spices. So we've got salt and pepper, and then we've got turmeric, chili powder, curry powder, and some chili flakes. On this plate, we've got chopped garlic, roughly chopped garlic, pandan leaves or rampa, curry leaves, and fresh chili. We're going to start this off with some oil. As we're in Sri Lanka, I'm going to be using coconut oil. This is very, very easy to get together and tastes absolutely delicious. So I've got my pan here. I've got my coconut oil in. We're going to start off by dropping in garlic, chili, pandan leaves or rampa, and curry leaves. And to this we're going to add our onions sliced. Very simply, on this kind of above medium heat, we're going to let this go for about 3 to 4 minutes. So these onions and herbs are just taken now and cooking beautifully. So at this point we're going to add our powders. Let's take a look at those, shall we? Okay, salt, pepper, turmeric, maybe like a heaped teaspoon of turmeric. Same with the chili flakes. The chili powder, I've probably got 2 or 3 heaped teaspoons. Curry powder, again maybe 2, just above. Now this is an unroasted curry powder. In Sri Lanka they often use roasted and unroasted. What we're going to do is drop them all in. And just for a few seconds keep this pan moving. We don't want our spices to burn, they get very bitter. Okay, now time for our coconut milk. There's like a pint here maybe. And in that goes. Simply we need to cook this. Again, staying on this fairly lively heat for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. There you go, this is coming together really nicely now. Simply, we're just going to add our prawns in. And like I said, I've got these huge whoppers here with the shells on, being cleaned. Let me just show you one of those again. As you can see, cut open and the entrails have been taken out. They're nice and ready to go. Very, very simply, stay on this heat 4 to 5 more minutes for this size prawns, and we're pretty much done. and off goes the heat. And as you can see, those prawns have turned into that beautiful pink colour. Check that for salt. That's fine for me. And we're ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.